Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup AWS Amplify data for no-code frontends, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying the specific components of your AWS Amplify app that require backup. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Amplify section. Select the app you wish to backup. Review the backend environment settings and configurations. For data storage in AWS Amplify, locate the associated Amazon DynamoDB tables. Go to the DynamoDB section in the AWS Management Console. Select the table you want to backup. Choose the export option from the DynamoDB table actions. Follow the prompts to export the table data to Amazon S3. Next, navigate to the S3 section in the AWS Management Console. Create an S3 bucket if you don't already have one designated for backups. Make sure to set appropriate permissions for your S3 bucket. Once your export is complete, verify that the data is correctly saved in your S3 bucket. For user authentication data, go to the Amazon Cognito section. Select the user pool linked with your Amplify app. Export the user data using the available options. For front-end assets like images and files, check the storage configuration associated with your Amplify app. Navigate to the respective storage solution, either Amazon S3 or another configured service. Manually download or use a script to copy these assets to your backup location. Review any custom backend functions you may have deployed. Backup your Lambda functions by exporting the code and configurations. Consider using AWS CloudFormation templates to capture your infrastructure. Use the AWS CLI to create a snapshot of your backend services. Store the exported files in a secure location, ideally in multiple backups. Document the backup process and schedule regular backups to ensure data integrity. Finally, review your backup restoration procedures to ensure quick recovery options are in place. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.